to fix missing SM bus controller driver in Windows 10 or 11. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix missing SM bus controller driver in Windows 10 or 11. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on the Start menu. Here, you want to type Device Manager, then launch it. In Device Manager, you want to expand Other Devices option. Right-click, and here you want to find the entry labeled SM bus controller. When you right-click, you will find the option of Update Driver. Click on that. Now select Browse my computer for drivers. Then choose Let me pick from list of available drivers on my computer. Scroll to and select System Devices. Click Next. Then pick Intel as the manufacturer and SM Bus controller as the model. Now click Next, accept any prompts, and then the driver will be installed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.